Our today's activity is making funny diver. In this activity, we are going to learn about density and air pressure. First of all, I am going to pour water inside the bottle. Going to put the dropper inside the bottle and putting the cap on. Dropper is floating at the top because the density of the dropper is less than the density of the water. But when I squeeze the bottle, dropper go down, and when I release the bottle, dropper come up again. When I squeeze the bottle, I will increase the pressure of water in the bottle. The density of the diver increases and diver begins to sink. And when I release the bottle, the pressure decreases, causing the diver to become less dense and float back to the top of the bottle.